Why does your scanner show the P1443 engine code? What does it mean? P1443 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emission system control, valve low or no flow. This engine code indicates that generally indicates a problem with the evaporative emission EVAP system's purge control valve or its related components, often due to a low or no flow condition according to Kelly Blue Book. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: evaporative emission (EVAP) system components, vacuum lines and connections, electrical issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford vehicles, particularly the Ford Ranger, Ford Focus, and Escape. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.